Enhance your outdoor spaces with landscape lighting Flower Mound solutions, offering a wide range of options including garden illumination, pathway lights, and accent lighting. Our LED landscape lights Flower Mound provide energy-efficient solutions for both residential and commercial landscape lighting needs. Transform your patio with our specialized patio lighting Flower Mound TX services, perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Tree uplighting. Flower Mound adds a dramatic effect to your garden, highlighting the natural beauty of your landscape. Deck lighting Flower Mound ensures safety and style, making your outdoor gatherings more enjoyable. Security lighting Flower Mound TX is essential for protecting your property, offering peace of mind with low-voltage lighting options. Our landscape light design Flower Mound services cater to both residential lighting Flower Mound and commercial landscape lighting Flower Mound, ensuring a tailored approach to your specific needs. Poolside lighting Flower Mound TX enhances the ambiance of your swimming area, while hardscape lighting Flower Mound highlights architectural features. Spotlights, Flower Mound, and moonlighting Flower Mound TX create stunning visual effects, perfect for showcasing your outdoor space. Step lights, Flower Mound and bollard lights. Flower Mound provide practical and stylish solutions for illuminating pathways and driveways. Wall wash lighting. Flower Mound adds depth and dimension to your exterior walls, while underwater lights Flower Mound TX create a magical effect in water features. Driveway lighting. Flower Mound ensures safe navigation, while solar landscape lights Flower Mound offer an eco-friendly alternative. Our lighting maintenance Flower Mound services ensure your outdoor lighting remains in top condition, while lighting installation, Flower Mound TX guarantees professional setup and optimal performance. Landscape lighting. Flower Mound enhances the beauty and security of outdoor spaces, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. Strategically placed lights highlight architectural features, garden paths, and lush greenery, allowing homeowners to enjoy their yards even after sunset. Whether using spotlights to accentuate trees or pathway lights for safe navigation, a well-designed lighting system adds both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Beyond beauty, landscape lighting. Flower Mound also improves safety and security by illuminating dark areas and deterring potential intruders. Energy-efficient LED fixtures and smart lighting controls offer cost-effective solutions, ensuring long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. With professional installation, residents of Flower Mound can transform their outdoor spaces into elegantly lit retreats perfect for relaxation and entertainment.